How do you brush 360 waves with a swirl? If you want to know how to pull this pattern off, this video is perfect for you. I need you to watch it all the way to the end, and I'm gonna get you guys hooked up. Let's get it.
I've been going crazy. Plug in, can't play me. Jesus done save me. Can't switch, won't sway me.
What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the Ninja Wavy here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to brush the 360 swirl wave pattern, otherwise known as 360 waves with the swirl. As you guys are looking at your screen, this is an example of what a 360 swirl pattern looks like. These are not my waves, full disclaimer here, but this is an example of what a 360 swirl pattern looks like. All right, now this shows off the angles that we're going to be discussing and how to brush this pattern. All right, I know it's a lot right now, but don't worry, we're going to take it step by step, and feel free to rewind or replay this as many times as you guys need to. All right, but as you guys can see, just like the 540 and the 720 pattern, this is a swirl pattern. The main difference, the main takeaway with this pattern is you're not doing heavy swings with your brush. All right, I'm gonna demonstrate that in just a second. All right, unlike the 540 and 720 patterns, this pattern only requires a little bit of rotation, not a heavy swoop, not a heavy swing, just slight rotations, just enough to create that swirl illusion without trespassing into the 540 or 720 category. Also, unlike those aforementioned patterns, the 360 wave swirl pattern is going to have a straight top, and the sides and the back are also going to be angled, but very, very slightly. All right, we're not talking heavy angles here. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to show you guys my 540 pattern so you can see the difference, and I'm going to demonstrate the main differences between the two, starting with the crown. Let's hop right into it. So you guys can see now. Normally when I brush my 540 waves, I do a full swing here. All right, this is how I would brush it if I was horizontally brushing. It would be a full swing, and that is what creates the slant down here at the front, you see? Full swing. But with a 360 swirl, the top is straight. So you're still going to do a slight hook, right? But you're going to stop here. All right, now unlike the 540 where you go all the way here, 360 swirl, you do a slight hook and stop. That way you can still keep it straight at the top. All right, so it's gonna kind of go like here. Slight hook, slight swing, that's it. Just enough to create the swirl motion, and then you can brush straight. Brush straight, all right? To this side, it will be a slight angle. So normally I angle my brush like this, 360 swirl, it'll be slightly tilted. And you'll brush here. Now, when you get to this side, the right-hand side, you see how my 540 hooks all the way around. For a 360 swirl, it would go outward just a little bit. You do a slight hook, slight hook, slight hook. These are very, very tight angles, all right? We don't need heavy angles here. And then you come to the back. Instead of the brush being tilted like this, you angle it like this. Slight hook, very slight. You see that? The difference, 540, 360. 540, 360. Coming over here to the left-hand side, you'll see the swoop. I normally drag it all the way around, or this is what it looked like with horizontal. For a 360 swirl, slightly angle the brush, slightly. You brush like this. 540, 360. 540 swirl, 360 swirl. To this side, right? Instead of me swooping all the way around, like I would normally do at the 540 with a 360 swirl, you would do a slight hook, just a little bit. You would stop the hook right here. versus stopping it all the way up here. See, slight hook, just enough to still make it go at a slightly angled position without overdoing it. So 540, 360, 540, 360. All right, and then you bring it back to the top. All right, so remember 540, it's slanted right here, 360, slight hook, and brush straight. Now real quick, if you guys want the cheat codes to getting elite waves so that way you can skip years of wasted progress, then I need you guys to click the first link in the description below, and it's going to give you access to my free bonus wave guide. This wave guide is not only going to show you a daily brush routine that you can follow, but it's also going to give you tons of useful elite wave tips that most wavers don't even go over. All right, these are tips that I learned the hard way. So be sure to get yours for free. You'll get instant and immediate access. Go ahead and click the first link in the description below. So now you guys see that the main difference between a 360 waves with a swirl pattern and the 540 pattern is just how much are you hooking the brush. That's it. All right, it's very simple in nature. Be sure to rewatch this video as many times as you guys need to. Now, if you guys want to see my time lapse of getting 360 waves, be sure to check out this playlist right here. Be safe and salute to my wave troops. I'm out.